What's up, astronauts? I'm Chris. Let me introduce you to the next best thing for your business. Engine Mailer, an email marketing software that helps you grow and manage lists, send email campaigns, and automate your customer journeys. Our subscribers module allows you to store unlimited contacts and segment them using categories. Custom fields let you create any field type to enable personalization and integration. Engine Mailer will even remove bad email addresses and manage your unsubscribes, leaving you with a cleaner database, saving cost and creating better email delivery reputation. Engine Mailer's email campaign module comes with AI to help you generate better subject lines and email content. Build from hundreds of free mobile-friendly newsletter templates and customize them using simple drag-and-drop functions. You can preview, send test emails, and target your audiences before sending your campaigns. Now let's talk about automation. Engine Mailer's REST APIs let you integrate to any of your preferred backend systems. Easily manage templates, personalize and send transactional emails, such as reminders, notifications, and e-statements. You can also set up email sequences triggered by events to nurture leads and close more deals. Engine Mailer also offers SEO-friendly landing pages, lead generation forms, and surveys to help you acquire more leads. The reporting module lets you track engagement across all of your email activities, such as delivery, opens, clicks, as well as bounce behaviors. The best part is that you can get access to all of our features and sign up for a free forever plan with 10,000 monthly emails. Upgrade to any of our paid plans depending on your number of emails you send monthly. We provide the flexibility of upgrading or downgrading your plan anytime. For large volume senders, get in touch with us for a tailored package. So, are you ready to take your email campaigns to the next level? Visit us at enginemailer.com and sign up for a free account and start sending it your way.